everybody, Dr. Corey Singer here today to talk to you about how to use the plantar fascia rollout. Now you could use a couple different things to actually do the rolling out of your plantar fascia. Now the plantar fascia is the point on the bottom of your foot, and when that gets tightened for a number of reasons, either hip misalignment issues, lower back rotations or subluxations in the lower back, which are creating pain or tightening of the muscles in the legs. Also, any kind of foot malpositions, dropping of the foot arches. There's a lot of different things that can cause this, but today I'm just going to talk to you about how to actually fix it, or to work on those muscles. Now, you could use a couple different things. You could use from TheraBand. They make a little roller that you could use. Looks like this. Kind of has like little threads in it. It kind of helps with that. You could use something like this, where it's like a massage roller that actually can roll like this. And you could use your foot with this one. You could fill up a water bottle and kind of fill it almost halfway, or lay it on its side, and then freeze it in the freezer. And actually that'll provide a little bit of strength there, but also allow for a cooling effect if you want that as well. So I'm just going to show you a couple different ways to use it. So we'll start with the TheraBand foot roller here. Really simple to do. Place it on the ground like that, and really simply just move it back and forth. Kind of dig in there, go moving back and forth. If you have plantar fasciitis, this will be a little tender, but it's pretty effective for kind of getting rid of those little adhesions that are in the foot. You want to move the foot around in different positions, just kind of going back and forth, all the way forward, all the way backwards. Usually you'll feel more tension towards the center of the foot. And you want to just do that maybe 20 to 30 passes back and forth, real simple. Do this a couple times a day. And then I'll show you how to use the massage roller there. Same kind of thing, just going back and forth. And then for this one, this is better to kind of get like a little bit deeper. So you can find a spot that's a little bit more tender and just kind of hold it, and hold that for about, 20 to 30 seconds while doing some deep breathing. This is very similar to like if you have like a golf ball or like a tennis ball, golf ball, tennis ball, same kind of thing. Just kind of pushing down, putting pressure on that certain area. You'll feel these tendons and these fascia kind of release, and it's a very good exercise for you, very good stretch, and it helps to provide a lot of relief for for somebody that's dealing with plantar fasciitis. And there's obviously other different exercises and stretches that you can do for this as well, to help with plantar fasciitis, but this is a really good one. Enjoy.